Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you are fine and I am also fine. New and latest ideas and latest styles designs like beautiful and latest design like sweater, cardigan, woman fashion style ideas and new and beautiful embellishment, eye-catching look, yarns, needles and words weight yarn, different looks and back panel styles looks like patchwork, like plain and bordering patchwork style, colorful combination idea designs. There are some ideas in the crochet pattern and the beautiful colorful embellishment designs and looks. So I hope you like it my video and my channel stylish and lovely crochet cardigan ideas like crochet latest granny square ideas. So I hope you like it, like optional add small crochet flowers or leaves between the like different patchwork styles flower, like experiment with different yarn texture and color to customize your sweaters. And this pattern allows for creativity and personal choice, so feel free to adjust it to suit your style. Enjoy crocheting your pattern and your ideas. So different applique style and different color combination, use a combination of chain stitches, single stitches, double crochet and slip stitches to create each like flower patchwork. And I hope you like it.